As many of you all know, that's been following me, I planted my herbs in some really bad soil, soil that was completely depleted of nutrients. I decided I was going to try something different in order to save cost, but sometimes saving costs is not worth it in the long run or the short run. No run, actually. I withdrew from the Plant a Herb Garden Challenge because I just didn't see my plants being able to catch up and take off the way that I had planned. But what I have been doing is I've been using compost tea to feed the soil. Now there's only one way but up. I'm going to give you guys a look because folk have been saying, don't worry about it. Drop more seeds. You still have time. I'm just going to show you guys what's happening, what's going on with them. Now, I will say that since I've been feeding with the homemade compost tea, I'm seeing growth. This is the anise. Here is the feverfew. I'm seeing seedlings. I think these are maybe some of the other seedlings that maybe have finally decided to show up, especially now that they've been getting some food. There's lemon basil. Hyssop. That looks like hyssop there. Dill. So I definitely see, I can definitely see that there has been some improvement. Absolutely. This is sage. Here is echinacea, which is actually on the up and up. Here is woodworm. I think these are some small little bits here. I'm not sure if this is woodworm or not. I've never grown it before. Maybe this is, looks like 2 seedlings there. And I see some baby ones coming in too. So the feeding is definitely been helpful. This is borage and this is lovage. So just wanted to show you guys that I am nursing them a bit. I'm not going to baby them. If something happens, it happens. But at the end of the day, I learned a valuable lesson. Be careful the soil that you use because it definitely makes a big difference. That soil wasn't healthy. It wasn't. I knew it was a cheaper brand, but thought that there would at least be some nutrients in there, just enough to get the seedlings going for a bit before I did the first feeding. But anyway, I don't want to ramble. It is what it is. Lesson learned. Moving on. I'll keep updating you guys here and there. And by the end of the summer, we'll see if they're still around, if they grow up and go off to have families of their own. We shall see. And so this is my June 5th Plant a Herb Garden update. Hope you guys enjoyed.